Want to save thousands while living in your RV? Campgrounds are pricey, gas is a killer, and repairs can drain your wallet. But with the right strategies, you can slash your costs in half. From free overnight stays to earning on the road, we'll show you exactly how to make RV life more affordable. Let's get rolling. You won't want to miss this. Boondocking, also known as dry camping, is one of the best ways to eliminate costly campground fees and significantly reduce RV living expenses. Instead of paying $30 to $100 per night at traditional RV parks, you can stay completely free on public lands, private properties, and designated areas. Mastering boondocking allows you to live on the road for a fraction of the cost. Where to find free boondocking sites? BLM, Bureau of Land Management. Found mostly in the western U.S., BLM land allows free dispersed camping for up to 14 days per site. National forests and grasslands offer stunning remote boondocking spots for free. Always follow leave no trace principles. Harvest hosts and boondockers. Welcome. Stay at wineries, breweries, farms, and private driveways for a low annual membership, $79 to $99 per year. Walmart, Cracker Barrel, and Cabela's. Many locations allow free overnight parking. Always confirm with management. Best apps to find free boondocking spots. Campendium. Reviews and GPS locations of free and low-cost camping. Free Roam helps locate BLM and National Forest camping. iOverlander, global database for free camping, water fill-ups, and dump stations. The Dirt Pro, offline maps and member-only free camping spots. How to extend your boondocking stays. Invest in solar power. A solar setup, 100 watts to 400 watts panels, charge controller, and batteries. Reduces generator use and helps you stay off-grid longer. Conserve water and waste. Carry extra water jugs and use a composting toilet to avoid frequent dump station trips. Energy efficiency. Use LED lights, propane appliances, and battery-powered fans to minimize power consumption. By boondocking smartly, using free camping apps, and investing in solar, you can cut your RV living expenses in half and enjoy true off-grid freedom. RV memberships can slash your camping costs, saving thousands per year if used strategically. Instead of paying $30 to $100 per night at campgrounds, the right membership allows you to stay at discounted or even free locations. Here's how to pick the best options and maximize your savings. Top RV memberships for maximum discounts. 1,000 Trails, the best deal for full-time RVers. A basic membership costs around $670 per year and allows free stays in their network of 80-plus campgrounds. Upgrading to an elite or adventure package extends stay limits and adds more locations. Passport America offers 50% off at over 1,400 campgrounds for just $44 per year. Some locations have restrictions, blackout dates, stay limits, but it pays for itself after just a few nights. Escapees Escapers, a great community-focused membership offering discounted campgrounds, mail forwarding, roadside assistance, and fuel discounts for $49.95 per year. Boondockers Welcome and Harvest Hosts. For boondockers, these memberships provide free overnight stays at private properties, farms, wineries, and breweries for $79 to $99 per year. How to save even more on RV memberships. Watch for sales. Many memberships offer holiday discounts or Black Friday deals. Buy used 1,000 Trails memberships. Some resale memberships include grandfathered-in perks that aren't available anymore. Check RV forums and Facebook groups. Use apps for extra savings. RV Trip Wizard helps plan the best routes and find discounts. The Dirt Pro shows free and discount campgrounds. Allstays helps locate cheap campgrounds, free boondocking spots, and low-cost RV parks. By choosing the right memberships, using apps, and taking advantage of deals, you can cut your RV living costs in half and camp for pennies on the dollar. Gas is one of the biggest expenses for RVers, but with careful planning, you can cut your fuel costs in half. RVs guzzle gas, so every mile and gallon saved adds up over time. Here's how to make the most of your fuel budget. Use apps to find the cheapest gas. Gas Buddy locates the cheapest fuel near your location. Filter by diesel or regular gas. Upside, earn cash back on gas purchases. Some locations offer up to 25 cents per gallon off. Truck Map helps RVers find truck-friendly gas stations so you avoid high-cost pit stops. Drive smarter for better fuel economy. Slow down. Keeping your speed between 55 to 65 miles per hour improves fuel efficiency by up to 20%. Reduce weight. Empty your tanks when driving. and carry only essential gear to decrease fuel usage. Use cruise control. Helps maintain a steady speed, reducing sudden acceleration that burns more fuel. Avoid idling. Turn off the engine at long stops instead of burning fuel unnecessarily. Stay in one place longer. Frequent moving burns gas fast. By staying longer at campgrounds or boondocking spots, you slash travel costs and enjoy a slower, more relaxed RV lifestyle. Plan your route efficiently. Use RV Trip Wizard to map out fuel-efficient routes with fewer mountains, traffic congestion, and toll roads. Avoid rush hour in big cities to prevent wasting gas in stop-and-go traffic. By using the right apps, driving efficiently, and reducing unnecessary travel, you can drastically cut your fuel expenses and keep more money in your pocket for adventures. One of the easiest ways to slash your RV living costs is by cooking your own meals instead of eating out. Restaurant meals can cost $15 to $50 per person, while home-cooked meals cost a fraction of that. With the right tools, planning, and smart grocery shopping, you can save hundreds per month while still enjoying delicious meals. Essential kitchen appliances for RV cooking. Instant Pot. A multi-cooker that replaces a slow cooker, rice cooker, and pressure cooker. Great for one-pot meals with minimal cleanup. Air fryer. Uses less electricity and oil than frying, making it a healthier and cost-effective cooking option. Slow cooker, crock pot, perfect for set-it-and-forget-it meals, especially when boondocking. Portable induction cooktop. Uses less power and heats up faster than propane stoves. How to save on groceries. Buy in bulk. Stores like Costco, Sam's Club, and Walmart offer bulk discounts on meat, rice, pasta, canned goods, and snacks. Plan your meals. Make a weekly meal plan to avoid impulse buys and minimize food waste. Use discount grocery apps. Ibotta. Earn cash back on grocery purchases. Flip. Find weekly grocery deals near you. Too Good to Go. Get discounted surplus food from restaurants and stores. Stock up in low-cost states. Gas stations and small-town stores can be expensive. Buy essentials in lower tax states before heading into remote areas. By cooking in your RV, meal prepping, and using smart shopping strategies, you can cut your food expenses in half while still enjoying great meals on the road. Toll roads and expensive overnight parking can drain your RV budget fast, but with smart planning, you can avoid unnecessary fees and find free places to stay while traveling. Instead of paying $5 to $50 per toll road or $30 to $100 per night at campgrounds, use free tools and apps to keep more money in your pocket. How to avoid toll roads. Google Maps. Enter your route and select Avoid Tolls in Route Options. RV Trip Wizard customizes RV-friendly routes that avoid low-clearance bridges, weight restrictions, and toll roads. Waze. A free navigation app that provides real-time traffic updates and toll-free alternative routes. Where to park overnight for free. Many businesses and locations allow overnight RV parking at no cost. Always call ahead or check for local regulations. Some of the best free parking options include Walmart. Many locations allow overnight stays, but some cities have banned it. Always check first. Cracker Barrel offers designated RV parking spots in many locations, often quieter than Walmart. Cabela's and Bass Pro Shops. Some stores have RV-friendly parking and even dump stations. Truck stops. Love's Pilot, Flying J, TA. Many allow free overnight parking, but be respectful of truckers who need priority parking. Casinos. Many casinos offer free or low-cost overnight parking. Some require sign-ups for their rewards programs. Best apps to find free parking and avoid tolls. Allstays Camp and RV shows free overnight parking spots, rest areas, and truck stops. iOverlander helps find free camping spots and boondocking locations worldwide. Free Roam provides BLM land and national forest maps for free camping. By avoiding toll roads, using free overnight parking, and leveraging travel apps, you can cut down on unnecessary expenses and extend your RV budget significantly. RV maintenance and repairs can be one of the most expensive parts of RV ownership, with service centers charging $100 to $200 per hour for labor. By learning basic maintenance and tackling simple repairs yourself, you can save thousands of dollars over time. With the right tools, resources, and knowledge, you can keep your RV running smoothly without breaking the bank. Essential DIY RV maintenance to learn. Oil changes and fluid checks. Changing the oil, transmission fluid, and coolant yourself saves $50 to $200 per service. Brake inspections and replacements. Checking your brakes regularly prevents costly failures. Brake pad replacement costs $300 plus at a shop, but can be done for a fraction of the price with DIY. Roof sealing and leak prevention. RV roofs need resealing to prevent costly water damage. DIY roof maintenance can save $1,000 plus in repairs. Plumbing fixes. Learn how to replace faucets, fix leaks, and maintain the water pump to avoid service fees. Electrical repairs. Simple wiring, fuses, and battery maintenance can prevent expensive RV electrical failures. How to learn and get help for DIY repairs. YouTube. Channels like RV Geeks, Keep Your Daydream, and Nomadic Fanatic provide step-by-step tutorials for common RV repairs. RV forums and Facebook groups. Communities like irv2.com, Escapees, and rv.net offer free advice from experienced RVers. Owner's manual and service guides. Your RV's manual and manufacturer websites often include troubleshooting and maintenance tips, tools and apps to save on repairs. Camper Leveler helps prevent uneven wear on tires and suspension. Torque, wrench, and tire pressure monitor, essential for avoiding blowouts and wheel damage. Harvest hosts and escapees discounts. Some memberships offer repair shop discounts. By learning essential maintenance, using online resources, and investing in a few key tools, you can eliminate costly service center visits and keep your RV in top shape for years. Energy costs can add up fast when living in an RV, especially if you rely on propane for heating and cooking or pay high campground electricity fees. By investing in solar power, improving insulation, and using energy-efficient appliances, you can drastically cut your power and propane expenses while staying off-grid longer. Invest in solar power. Reduce generator and hookup costs. A solar panel setup, 100 watts to 400 watts, paired with a deep cycle battery or lithium battery, lets you charge electronics, run lights, and power small appliances without paying for electric hookups or burning propane. Portable solar panels are a great alternative for those who want flexibility without a permanent install. Charge devices during peak sunlight hours and use a solar-powered generator to store extra power. Reduce propane usage for heating and cooking. Use an electric space heater when plugged in at a campground instead of propane. Cook with an induction cooktop, instant pot, or air fryer to use less propane compared to a traditional RV stove. Use a thermal cooker. It cooks food without constant heat, saving fuel. Insulate your RV to save on heating and cooling. Reflectix and thermal curtains. Line windows with Reflectix or use thermal curtains to keep heat in during winter and block heat out during summer. Door and window seals. Use weather stripping to prevent drafts and reduce temperature fluctuations. Vent covers and insulated skirting. Keeping vents covered in extreme weather reduces energy loss, while skirting the RV in winter traps heat and reduces propane usage. Other money-saving energy tips. LED lights. Switching to LED bulbs saves up to 75% of electricity compared to standard bulbs. Monitor propane levels. Avoid emergency refills by using a propane gauge to refill at cheaper bulk propane stations instead of pricey campgrounds. Turn off unused appliances. Even small devices drain battery power when left plugged in. By investing in solar, insulating your RV, and using energy wisely, you can cut your propane and electricity costs in half and boondock longer without relying on paid hookups. RV insurance is a major recurring expense, but many RVers overpay without realizing it. By choosing the right coverage, comparing quotes, and adjusting your policy based on how you use your RV, you can cut your insurance costs by hundreds of dollars per year. Compare quotes and choose the best provider. Different insurance companies offer varying rates based on your RV type, location, and usage. The best way to save money is by shopping around. Progressive offers competitive rates, especially for full-timers. Geico has affordable plans for weekend and part-time RVers. Good Sam, great for full-time RVers, offering roadside assistance and travel perks. National General and Farmers sometimes offer cheaper bundle rates if you have other policies, home, auto, etc. Use comparison sites like Policy Genius or the Zebra to find the cheapest RV insurance options. Switch to storage or seasonal insurance. If you don't drive your RV year-round, you can save up to 50% by switching to a storage policy when your RV is parked. Some companies offer seasonal coverage, where you only pay for liability when driving and reduce coverage when stationary. Raise your deductible. A higher deductible means lower monthly premiums. If you can afford $1,000 or $2,500 out of pocket for an accident, you can cut your monthly bill significantly. Other ways to save on RV insurance: bundle insurance policies. Many providers offer discounts if you bundle RV, auto, and home insurance. Take an RV safety course. Some companies offer discounts for completing a defensive driving course. Join RV clubs. Memberships like Escapees, FMCA, and Good Sam often provide insurance discounts. Pay annually instead of monthly. Many insurers offer a discount if you pay for a full year upfront. By comparing quotes, switching to storage insurance, raising your deductible, and taking advantage of discounts, you can drastically reduce your RV insurance costs and keep more money in your travel budget. Water and dump station fees can quickly add up, especially for full-time RVers. Some campgrounds charge $10 to $30 per dump and $5 to $15 for water fill-ups. But with the right strategies, you can cut these costs to nearly zero. By using free dump stations, conserving water, and carrying extra storage, you can extend your boondocking time and reduce expenses. Where to find free dump stations and water fill-ups? Rest stops and highway travel plazas. Many interstate rest areas provide free dump stations and potable water. Cabela's and Camping World. Some locations offer free or low-cost dumping and freshwater fills. Truck stops. Pilot, Flying J, TA, Loves. Many provide RV dump services, often cheaper than campgrounds. Use My Pilot and Gas Buddy apps to find the best rates. City parks and county fairgrounds. Some allow free dumping and water access for travelers. Apps to locate free or cheap dump stations. Sanadumps lists free and low-cost dump stations across the U.S. iOverlander helps find free water fill-ups and dump sites worldwide. Campendium provides reviews on dump stations and water access points. How to reduce water usage and extend time between dumps. Carry extra water jugs. A 5-gallon water jug from Walmart or Home Depot costs $10 to $15, saving money on campground water fill-ups. Use a composting toilet, reduces black tank use, meaning fewer dump station visits and less water waste. Install low-flow faucets and shower heads, can cut water consumption by up to 50%. Take Navy showers. Turn off the water while soaping up, reducing usage. Reuse dishwater for flushing. Instead of using fresh water, use dishwater to flush the toilet. By finding free dump stations, carrying extra water, and reducing waste, you can avoid unnecessary fees and stretch your RV budget further. One of the best ways to sustain full-time RV living and reduce financial stress is by earning money while traveling. With remote work, seasonal jobs, and side hustles, you can cover expenses without draining your savings. Even if you only travel part-time, renting out your RV when not in use can generate passive income. Here's how to maximize your earning potential on the road. Remote work and digital nomad jobs. The internet has made it easier than ever to work from anywhere. Some great remote job options include freelancing, Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, graphic design, writing, video editing, and virtual assistants. Online teaching, VIP Kid, Teachable, teach English or create online courses. Customer support, LiveOps Arise. Many companies hire remote customer service agents. Blogging and YouTube, share your RV adventures and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Seasonal and work amping jobs. Work amping allows you to work at campgrounds or parks in exchange for free RV spots and pay. Some of the best seasonal jobs include campground hosting, free campsite plus a small salary for basic maintenance. Amazon Camper Force, seasonal warehouse work with great pay and free RV parking. National park jobs, Cool Works, get paid to work in scenic locations. Harvest work, vineyards and farms often hire RVers for seasonal picking jobs. Out your RV for extra income. If you don't use your RV full-time, renting it out on platforms like Outdoorsy or RV Share can bring in $50 to $250 per night. This passive income can offset monthly RV costs like insurance, maintenance, and storage fees. Sell digital products or handmade goods. Etsy and Redbubble sell handmade crafts, digital prints, or t-shirts. Stock photography and videos. Sell travel photos on sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Dropshipping and print on demand. Run an e-commerce store without carrying inventory. By combining remote work, work amping, RV rentals, and passive income streams, you can fund your RV travels and reduce your financial burden while enjoying the freedom of the road. Saving money while RVing isn't just about spending less, it's about living smarter so you can travel longer and stress less. We hope these tips help you do just that. If you found this helpful, share it with a fellow RVer and let us know your best money-saving trick in the comments. For even more ways to cut RV costs, check out our next video. We've got more tips you won't want to miss. Until then, safe travels and happy adventures.